Can you believe it's time to get ready for the new school year? I wonder what my students are going to be like.
Did you know you can use A4E now to start learning about your new students? A4E is a resource with data from many systems built by HISD, especially for HISD's teachers.
That sounds great. That would be so helpful.
Let's log in and look at your A4E teacher dashboard. A4E is a great place to learn more about your kids. One of the easiest ways to get to your A4E teacher dashboard is through the My HISD employee portal. You only need to log in one time and then you can get right into A4E. When you go to your A4E teacher dashboard, you'll see several navigation links on the left-hand side in the Quick Links area. A good place to start is with summative assessment results. For example, the STAR EOC TELPAS Performance Quadrant Report shows a summary of your students' latest TELPAS results. TELPAS stands for the Texas English Language Proficiency Assessment System, which is designed to assess the progress that English learners make in learning the English language. At the beginning of the school year, the TELPAS report will show last year's results. Click on the Details icon in the bottom right corner of the report to open the TELPAS Assessment Details report.
Does it matter at which school they took the tests?
No, you will see the latest TELPAS results for each subject your students were tested on, regardless of where they were tested. You can scroll to the right to see the results for each TELPAS subject. Then you can use the page up or page down links to scroll through your students. And the report will show the yearly progress for each student as well.
That's great, but what if I want to see the results of every TELPAS test a student took?
Sure, you can find that on the student's profile. Let me show you. Click on any student's ID number to see his or her comprehensive A4E student profile. Select the TELPAS link to drill down to the student's complete TELPAS results, including every attempt. The results are color-coded, and there is year-to-year progress shown to help you see quickly which students need special attention.
Wow, I can see the entire TELPAS history for all of my students.
Yes, you'll be able to see exactly where your students stand on TELPAS performance right from the start of school.
Thanks for the help, Coach. My A4E teacher dashboard will really help me get to know my students at the beginning of the school year, and it will help me track their progress throughout the year.